Good morning. So we have here we have makahiya plant. This is a makahiya. Yeah. Makahiya. This is makahiya. Makahiya plant. Makahiya. We touch the leaf of makahiya. This is in you see in the Philippines only. In America, no makahiya. There, makahiya. Japan, India, no makahiya in India. Only in the Philippines. Makahiya plant. And the English is shame plant or shy plant. We touch now. The makahiya we touch. No, we close the leaves. We close the leaves. All the leaves we close. This is amazing plant in the earth. Makahiya plant. You see that? Makahiya. This is makahiya. We touch this. Makahiya. Makahiya. We touch the leaves. Yan, makahiya. In a few minutes, and she open. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. The deer is not not touch this. That's the 1 and 2. That's this. Ito na ilang tao nagkuhan ba? Pila ka minutes ma-open.